Hi everyone, welcome to Style Stories and this is Rudranshi. So today video is basically going to be a Myntra haul. Here I am going to share few tops from Myntra. Basically all these tops are summer tops and these are of different style. The best part is all these tops are under 1000 rupees. You can pair up these tops with almost anything as in skirts, denim, jeggings and even shorts. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Our first top is this maroon peplum top. This is from the brand Harpa. The material of this top is polyester and the neck of this top, as you can see, it's of round shape, and the beauty of this product lies in its sleeves. As you can see, this is having a very beautiful pearl detailings over its sleeve, both at the front side and the back side on both the sleeves, right? And even if you are worrying like as in this these pearls may lose its polish or even they can just tore apart, so you can see it's pinned, it's not stitched, it's pinned inside. So and regarding the polish, I will suggest you to hand wash it instead of a machine wash, because definitely if you are going to wash it in machine then you may lose the polish, but if you are going to hand wash it then the polish of these pearls will remain same. I have already washed it and as you can see the polish is same. Moving on to our second top, we have this peach colored floral print top from the brand Punk. If I talk about the neck, then again it's of a round shape and they have given beautiful design over the sleeves as well as the bottom of the top. If I talk about the material of this top, it's very soft, very skin friendly. You will feel as it's very light on your skin. Our next top is white and black stripped wrap top from the brand Harpa again. So it's a V-shaped neck top and this says it's a wrap top, but actually it's not a wrap top. As you can see, this neckline is not being wrapped at the bottom. They have already stitched it. It's completely stitched so that the top can be in place. Again, add on to that, they have given a button over the neckline to keep it in place. So it's very convenient. If you are thinking that it's a wrap top, that will not be convenient for you. It's not the case. And if I talk about the sleeves, they have given this cut throughout till the bottom. The only issue which I faced with this top was this section, as in it was quite broad, that was not fitting into my hands completely. So what I did is I cut it off, as in cut it into half. One more thing I would like to show is this elastic which they have given at the back of the top. Means from front there is no elastic, but yeah, from the back they have put this elastic. This top looks very elegant if you pair it up with black parallel pants. Next we have this blue floral print top. This is from the brand Mustang Harbor. The neck of this top is V-shape and this is having a beautiful button detailings in the front line with a knot at the bottom. This is how it looks. I think it's visible. You may feel as in the size of this top is quite large, but actually this is a boxy top. It looks good only if it's loose, and you can pair it up with any parallel denim or high-waisted jegging. We have this fifth top in a good combination of black and white. I think it's visible, and this is again from the brand Mustang Harbor. The shape of the neck is round and there is the design pattern at the back with the button. If I talk about the sleeves, it's cold shoulder sleeves. They have given elastic on both the sleeves and the sleeves are in a flare. So this is quite a new pattern for me in cold shoulder tops. That is why I bought it. And yeah, it's semi-sheer, so you need to wear a camisole under this. That's all for today. One thing I would like to add on is why I showed you the tag is for the size purpose. You can see the size over there. All these tops which I ordered is in medium size and all these medium size tops were appropriate for me, so you can order accordingly. I hope all of you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and keep providing your love to my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.